Hello friends, my name is Harinandan and you are watching OpenHelix Telecom channel. Friends, today I am going to tell one new thing. Maybe you know and maybe you don't know. So today I am going to tell cold based station BTS. Okay, Nokia cold based station BTS. Okay, so maybe first time you hearing Nokia cold based station BTS. Okay. So first time Nokia Alisa E4 commercially deploy Nokia cold based station BTS. Okay, and that BTS also can reduce CO2 emission by up to 80%. And in this BTS there is no cooling fan. So removal of cooling component, okay, removal of cooling fan and removal of cooling component, okay, can cut energy cost up to by 30%. And to create silent based station BTS, okay, generally we are looking at site right now, whatever we are using in India, okay, so if you go to its site, then you will have more noise from BTS, okay, because in this BTS, in our BTS having cooling fan. So Nokia invention cold based station BTS, so there is no cooling fan, okay, without cooling fan is there. So in this BTS they are using two pipe, okay, so one blue pipe, one another is red pipe. So blue pipe having cold water and red pipe having hot water. So cooling water, cold water we are giving in BTS to reduce the hot temperature of BTS, and hot pipe receiving hot temperature, okay, by water from BTS, okay, and that hot temperature they are using in apartment. And right now cold based station BTS installed in Sakuntalao Helsinki building in Finland, and Nokia cold based station made by Nokia Bell Labs in Finland. Okay, so guys, let's see in video.
We are in the small room in an attic of Satakuntatalo, and we found some base stations here. What are these, Harry?
Indeed, one of the Nokia innovations what we have here is 2G, 3G and 4G base stations, which are all cooled by liquid, so not by air, which is the traditional way. And here you can see here blue and red pipes. The blue pipe indicates the cold water, which is cooling the base station, and red pipe indicates the pipe where we have harvested 80% of the waste heat.
Right, and it's hot.
It's hot, yes.
What happens then?
And then the red pipe comes here in the building heating system. You can see here that the red pipe is connected to the manifold of the building. This goes to building heating, and it comes back as a return cold water, which is then connected back to the base station here.
And this is good for the CO2 emissions, right?
Yes, we are able to reduce CO2 emissions about 80%.
So this is what happens when you unleash the engineers for innovation.
Indeed.
Thank you.
So guys,